Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and today I got a quick tip for you guys doing candy racing stripes. I've already sprayed the candy, but I'm going to show you guys a trick to make it a lot easier and let it turn out a lot better for you. Let's jump right into it. Alright, what we got here, this is a tailgate for El Camino, and they wanted candy red racing stripes on it. So what I decided to do is go ahead and I put the candy on it. And we also went with a ultra fine flake. I don't know if the camera picks that up or not. You can somewhat see it. Anyways, it took a silver base for the red candy. So what I did is I got 4 coats of the silver base, and I got 6 coats of the red candy, and then 2 coats of the flake, and then it's got 2 coats of clear on top of it, kind of sealing in the whole deal. You might ask yourself, why did I clear the whole tailgate? What it does is it acts as a sealer for my next coat of base. If I would have just maybe cleared it to right there and then sanded it up, got it slicked, I might have had an issue right in there. It might have made the base do something funny. So I just go ahead and I clear the whole panel, and it kind of acts as a sealer and a protectant. With that many layers, you know, you're looking at, what is that, 14 layers between the base coat, the candy, the flake, and the clear. You're going to have a tendency for that stuff to draw up. Everything has a tendency to shrink in the body working side of things. So you can see here, this clear right here is actually laying completely different than this clear right here. And that's just because there's so much more material over here between the candy and the flake. It's just sucking it down a little bit. Something else that I like to do is the racing stripe is going to end right here, but you just don't want to keep spraying to right here, because what it'll do is it'll actually mound up on you. So I just take and I step it out a little bit more each time, and it'll just make it lay in there just nice and flat. You can bury it with your final 2 coats of clear. So what I'll do is, I've had this sitting about a week or so. I'm going to come in here and sand it down real good with some 600. Then I'll tape off my lines or my stripes that I want to use, and then I'll base it out the color that we're going. We're going a pearl white with a silver flake in it. And then I'll get that sprayed out. I'll pull my masking off, and then I'll put about 3 or 4 coats of clear on top of all of it. And it'll be pretty much well ready for cut and buff then. Doing it that way is really nice because it makes it easy to bury the racing stripe. I got a video out there already. If you're interested, you could watch it. It's got some good information. Got some real good feedback on it from people that's watched it, said it's real good. That's pretty much all I got for today. Hope everyone has a good weekend.